Is faceless content the wave in 2025? I don't know. But today we're going to find out. We're going to be making our own faceless content channel, and we're going to run it for 30 days and see the results. For this project, guys, we're going to be using tools like OpenAI's ChatGPT and OpenAI's Sora. Using those tools, guys, we'll be able to create shorts like this. And we're going to post them on YouTube daily for 30 days straight and see what kind of traction we get. If y'all want to see more type of content like this, drop a like, leave a comment. If this hits 100 likes, we'll do a full-on tutorial on how to get everything set up for you. These videos are getting tons of views and are soaring within the YouTube algorithm. And from what I've seen, people are becoming YouTube partners with this type of content and making good money. So let's see if we can do the same thing. First thing you guys want to do is pick some sort of content area you want to be in. I personally chose animals because I've been seeing a bunch of AI generated animals just blowing up within my TikTok pages and everything. So we're going with animals. Now, I've already went ahead and made the account, generated banners, and the profile picture all with AI. This video gets 100 likes. I'll do another video on setting up the whole channel with AI and all that good stuff. Now, in order to do this chat, we're going to be using ChatGPT to write our prompts for us for Sora. Now, I've already went ahead and set up my instructions for this chat project. It's very detailed. All I have to do is literally come up with some sort of idea like dog riding a bike. And it's going to generate me a whole storyboard prompt to put that I can paste right into Sora. And it's going to generate me the whole video for me. It's also going to generate, let it finish here. It's also going to give you guys a whole pretty much YouTube title for the post, a description, all the hashtags, the search tags, and a voiceover if you want one. Like I said, guys, this video gets 100 likes. We'll do a whole tutorial on setting up everything for you. Now, like I said, I've already been dabbling with this a little bit. And these are just some of the things that I've created. Now, guys, I started this channel a couple days prior to making this video, so don't be confused at seeing that I already have some analytics going. This is only a couple days in, chat, and this is what we're hitting for so far. So we're gonna make another video after 30 days and we'll review the results. Stay tuned. And again, guys, if you want to see more stuff like this, leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe. We'll be back with another one.